What's the latest buzz on the British pound versus the Japanese yen? We've scanned the recent market chatter to bring you the key insights on GBPJPY, one of the most volatile and exciting pairs in the forex market. Let's get straight into the sentiment. Right now, the feeling is overwhelmingly neutral to cautiously opportunistic, but with a major twist. The conversation isn't just about the pound yen. Traders are using the GBPJPY tag to discuss a wide range of assets, with a huge focus on Bitcoin and gold. This tells us that traders are looking at the market as a whole, searching for opportunities wherever they can find them, and they see GBPJPY as part of this wider risk-on, risk-off environment. There's a lot of talk about major market phases. We're seeing charts illustrating the power of three concept: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. This suggests traders are anticipating a significant move after a period of consolidation, but they're applying this thinking broadly, not just to the pound yen. The overall mood is one of anticipation, with many expecting increased volatility and preparing for big announcements. So what about specific price levels? Interestingly, the most concrete buying and selling points being discussed aren't for GBPJPY, but for Bitcoin, which is dominating the conversation. We're seeing bullish calls for Bitcoin, with buy entries flagged between 116,500 and 117,300. On the flip side, some are positioning for a downturn, identifying a key selling point right around 117,900, with targets stretching down towards 109,260. While these aren't pound yen levels, they show where traders' heads are at. They're playing key psychological levels in high volatility assets. Let's summarize the key takeaways. First, the online discussion for GBPJPY is currently very broad. It's being used as a hub for general market sentiment, especially concerning major assets like Bitcoin and gold. Second, the dominant technical theme is the idea of an accumulation phase ending, with traders bracing for a significant breakout or breakdown across the market. Finally, while the mood is full of calls to action, there's a lack of specific, focused analysis on the pound-yen pair itself. Our concluding thought is this: the market is on edge, anticipating the next big move. While the spotlight is currently on crypto and commodities, the volatility and patterns traders are watching there could easily spill over. For GBPJPY traders, this means staying alert and recognizing that broader market sentiment, especially from assets like Bitcoin, may be a key driver in the days ahead. Trade smart and be ready for anything.